Gentlemen, pause for a moment. What if I told you the secret to restoring your energy, your stamina, that sharp focus, and even your unwavering confidence as a man after 60? Is it locked inside an expensive clinic or a pricey prescription? It's sitting quietly on a pharmacy shelf for less than 12 cents a day. I know it sounds almost too simple, but clinical studies show significant improvements up to double or more in measures of blood flow and endurance with the right compounds. Today, I'm revealing this shockingly effective, incredibly cheap vitamin secret that most men simply don't know. If you're ready to unlock this hidden power and redefine vitality in your golden years, then stay with me. This conversation will change how you think about aging. I'm Dr. Christina Morgan, a urologist with 15 years of experience helping men improve their performance, confidence, and intimacy. Before we jump in, take a quick second to subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss more natural health insights made for men like you. And if what I just said resonates with you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Let's see where you stand. You see, after 60, a common frustration. The unacknowledged problem, silent energy, drain and missed nutrient emerges. That pervasive nagging feeling of low energy, mental fog, and a diminished zest for life. You might just accept this is my new normal. But here's the often missed truth. A significant portion of this decline isn't just about age. It's about a critically overlooked nutrient deficiency that silently saps your power. Believe me, gentlemen, I've had mornings where I felt that same slump. I once treated a remarkable man, 72 years old, who thought his golfing days were numbered. He was too drained to finish 18 holes. After standard checkups, we looked at his micronutrient levels. What we found was a significant deficiency in a vitamin essential for every single cell. After a few weeks of consistent targeted supplementation, he called me almost breathless. Dr. Christina, I'm back on the course. Full 18 holes, and I even have energy for my wife in the evenings. I feel like I've gained 20 years. This wasn't about expensive treatments. It was about addressing a fundamental biological need. The common narrative pushes us towards complex, costly interventions. But true, sustainable vitality often comes from igniting your body's own healing capacity by providing it with exactly what it's been missing. Today, we're uncovering this fundamental secret, a simple, cheap vitamin that can rewrite your vitality story. All right, the revelation, your morning-night vitality blueprint, 0.12 vitamin and allies. The secret weapon I've been talking about, the incredibly cheap vitamin that can restore your energy, focus, and drive after 60 is none other than vitamin B12. Yes, B12. Sounds simple, right? But here's the profound truth. As we age, stomach acid drops. The protein called intrinsic factor essential for absorbing B12 also declines. This leads to a silent, insidious deficiency that manifests as fatigue, mental fog, nerve issues, and poor circulation, all impacting your intimate health. B12 is literally essential for your red blood cells, carrying oxygen everywhere, and for healthy nerve function. No robust B12, no robust you. So how do you put this 12-cent powerhouse to work for you? You're looking for a quality methylcobalamin B12, often found in sublingual, meaning under the tongue, tablets, or lozenges. This form bypasses any absorption issues in your digestive system. For men over 60, I typically recommend a daily dose in the range of 1,000 to 2,500 micrograms. Take this first thing in the morning. You'll be setting the stage for an energized day. It kickstarts your cellular energy, boosts your mood, and improves circulation. Imagine that low-cost morning ritual literally fueling your every cell. It's that simple, yet that powerful. But here's the critical synergistic piece that truly amplifies B12's power and brings back that full spectrum of vitality. Magnesium taken at night. While B12 energizes you in the morning, magnesium is your calming, restorative champion in the evening. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, playing a crucial role in muscle function. Yes, that includes intimate muscles, nerve transmission, energy production, and relaxation. It helps you get deep, restorative sleep which is non-negotiable for testosterone production and overall recovery. Think of it as B12 waking you up and magnesium tucking you in for optimal repair. For magnesium, aim for 300 to 500 milliliters of a highly absorbable form like magnesium glycinate. This is preferred for sleep because magnesium citrate may have a laxative effect. Take this about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This powerful daily rhythm, B12 in the morning, magnesium at night, creates a complete energy and recovery cycle. Now, to truly supercharge your intimate vitality beyond just energy and erections, let's talk about a natural ingredient that's been shown to significantly enhance blood flow. Watermelon extract, or specifically L-citrulline. Watermelon is rich in L-citrulline, which your body converts to larginine, a precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the hero compound that relaxes your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, crucial for firm erections. While you can get some from watermelon itself, a concentrated extract offers a more potent dose. Look for pearl citrulline and start with 2 to 3 grams twice a day for best absorption rather than one large dose. Individual results vary. Always consult your doctor if you take heart or blood pressure medication, especially nitrates, as L-citrine can affect blood pressure. This combination of daily methylcobalamin B12 in the morning, magnesium glycinate at night, and a potent split dose of L-citrulline, often available as a standalone supplement or in an advanced performance formula, is a holistic, natural, and incredibly effective strategy to truly restore your energy, mental clarity, and intimate vitality after 60. This is your body's The Complete Power Play, your full vitality blueprint in action roadmap back to its peak. Gentlemen, you've now discovered the incredible 12-cent secret of vitamin B12, empowered by magnesium and supercharged with L-citrine. This isn't just about supplements. This is your strategic daily blueprint to cement that vibrant energy, sharp focus, and powerful intimate drive. These are your fundamental allies working in synergy to reclaim the power you deserve. Let's break down your daily power play step by step. Your morning kickstart. First thing when you wake, take your daily dose of methylcobalamin B12. This is your cellular energy switch, your mental clarity booster. Don't skip it. Your nightly rebuild. About an hour before bed, embrace your magnesium glycinate habit. This signals deep repair, relaxation, and optimal hormone production while you sleep. Your circulation commander. Throughout the day, integrate your L-citrulline split into 2 daily doses. This directly enhances blood flow, leading to significantly firmer erections and improved stamina. These 3 core elements form a powerful natural rhythm, but they thrive within a holistic lifestyle. Amplify these benefits. Get 7 to 10 hours of quality sleep. Engage in regular movement, even brisk walking, and nourish your body with a whole foods-rich diet. Consciously manage stress with meditation or time in nature. This isn't just about supplementing. It's about making deliberate foundational choices every single day. This isn't your power, your choice. Reclaim what's yours. Just a vitamin plan, gentlemen. This is a deliberate daily investment in the powerful, vital man you are meant to be. This is your comprehensive blueprint, gentlemen. Follow it. Don't just wish for more energy and vitality. Gentlemen, build it. Starting tomorrow, subscribe to Vitality Health 101 now. It's time to reclaim the powerful, vibrant man you were always meant to be. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next essential video offering more direct strategies for male vitality. Drop a comment below. Tell me your biggest takeaway or how you feel now. Your journey is our shared mission. Until next time, this is Dr. Christina Morgan reminding you that true masculine power is built, nurtured, and fearlessly reclaimed. Go forth, gentlemen, and embody your strength.